welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making vanilla cake. So this is also a trial video. You guys can see we are going to be making with this Nutricook air fryer. So let's see how to make this vanilla cake. Let's go. Today we are going to be testing out a oven that I unboxed last video. You guys, we need to put minimum 30 centimeter gap at the back because here air will come out, hot air, and also I did the same for the sides. Now I'm gonna on the switch. Guys can see. First we are gonna be doing preheat. So we need to click the power button. Then we click preheat. Then we click start. Now let's click light and see, guys. Now it's preheat. For half kg vanilla cake we need 2 eggs. Mix 1, 2, 3, go. Let's add vanilla essence. Quarter cup powder sugar. Cup maida. Pour it into the filter. Then take 1 teaspoon baking powder. A quarter teaspoon amount of baking soda. Now like this. Don't put all of the powder, put little at the base. Now it's empty. Now it's finished. Tablespoon oil. Mix. Mix slowly. I have a steel plate. I have put butter paper inside and I have also applied little oil. Now we are going to be pouring this mix inside of it. After we pour, we little like this shake. This way you guys can see gaps here and there. When we shake, it will come together. Now let's go cook it. Preheat is finished. Let's open it.
Okay.
Let's put it in. Let's close it. Let's click start. Let's click cake and let's click wait. 10 minutes left. You guys can see. Look how it looks. Light on. See? It's very buffy. See guys, it's ready. It has cooled down. Let's put it aside. Take a plate so we can transfer it. With this tool, slowly scrape. Okay? Just slowly. It's very smooth. It's not, when you touch it, does not go down. And you can see the bubbles and looks so beautiful. Now, like this, cover upside down. Then slowly tap. Now, see guys, it's not sticky. That's why you're gonna be removing this paper slowly. See, it's smooth, it's not sticking. This is why we should always. You guys can see it's soft and spongy. See, it's very nice. This is a trail cake we made with the Nutricook air fry oven, and see how beautiful it is and soft. very easy. Hope you guys like it. Now we are gonna be making whipping cream. Cutting it with whipping cream. My cake is ready. I have cut it into 2 pieces. I have whipping cream ready. Now I'm gonna add whipping cream to it. Now we are gonna be adding whipping cream on the plate. Like this, slowly spread it. What are you doing? Ice cream. I finished adding whipping cream. Now I'm gonna put the cutted piece of cake here. Syrup. I'm gonna add sugar syrup. Good. Now let's add whipping cream. Okay. Slowly. We have spread the whipping cream on the surface of the cake. Now let's add the second layer. Now let's add sugar syrup equally to all the place. Like this. It tastes so yummy and is delicious, and we didn't use any oil for it. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.